Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian investment trader known as Fijian traders. This is Mr. Singh, OCGN, Oregon Therapeutic Company. What a day! What a day today! Even though when we came at $3, man, $3 because market was pulling back because of the 2 day FOMO meeting going on about the reduction of or the change of interest rate and how it's going to be impacting. But the way it looks like it's going to be unchanged, even though tomorrow is the Mr. Jerry Powell speaking. But what a day, because we went high off all the way to $10.10, and the low was $3, and we made this beautiful ground up. We have a lot to cover on this video in terms of technical analysis and fundamentals, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button and turn on the notification if you want to be always be getting OCGN or any stock that I do on my portfolio. Talk about the good, the bad, the sad, the great, everything when it comes to it. And I keep it real. I keep it real and with very transparent what's going to be looking like, because in my money is investors as well. Also, the news came out. OCGN lost its leadership with the new CMO appointment. What does it look like? Well, let's talk about it. So OCGN has made a strategic move by appointing Hama Kumar Okmar, uh, the MPH, as a new chief medical officer. This announcement was made on March 18 yesterday and underscores the OCGN's commitment in advancing its leadership in medical field and may signal a positive shift for investors and market watchers to keeping an eye on companies' growth and expertise. What a run Mr. Shankar and the team has done, and which is a great news coming in, because of the company's growth level is there, but in terms of the business expertise and the growth, it will play a big part on that. So I'm very excited to see that. Nothing changes on that. It's still a buy moderate. It's $7.50, high of $8, low is $7. You're looking about 581% if it goes to $7. What a massive run if we're gonna see that. And also, earnings is coming up on March 29. So circle that calendar, because we got about to see some high volatile coming in and pushing this price over $5, $2, and you might be seeing a lot of movement coming in. And if they beat the estimate, last year EPS was negative 0.1, and right now it's showing negative 0.6. If we beat this consensus, excuse me, and then will we have a math run, because company, it doesn't matter how good it is, if it's not profitable and heading to the right direction, investors is not going to do it or won't be feel comfortable about it. So there's something to keep an eye about. My portfolio, as mentioned, that I do Palantir, OCGN, Nvidia, one of my biggest account that I have ever done it. And you can see how I am doing it. And OCGN is still I'm up to 8.91%, but I'm not done yet of loading shares. I'm kind of keeping an eye and watching how this everything news plays out on the market. And OCGN is one of the sleeper stock, and it can rip at any given time with how they're doing with the clinical trial that happened the last 6 days ago. The news came in, so there's a lot of growth level with this company, and definitely there's ways so you can make money out of it as well as for a long-term investor. So I'm not sure my shares keeping it. This is one of my smaller account that I have, but my plan is to add up to double this very soon. And why I have not done it, and I'll talk to you on my technical analysis. So let's go dig dive and let's buckle up, because we have a lot to cover on the technical side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift it. I'm going to skip the 5 day, and I'm going to go to one month chart. Why did I say it's an uptrend? Because my pink, which is my 60-day 200-day EMA, and my blue is the 60-day, we had this crossover sitting at about 87 cents, and then we went high all the way to $1.22, and then we pulled back. Now we kind of made this higher highs, higher lows. And I did mention on my previous video, and I'll attach it at the end of this video, that this is going to be a roller coaster. Go up, then you pull down, which we did. We go up. Let's see if we pull down tomorrow, because the low on the 200-day moving average is sitting at 99 cents. So we're sitting at 99 cents. We might be coming in play tomorrow if somebody's looking to load up shares. Not a financial advisor, just talking on the technical side and the fundamental of the company. This is your money. You decide how to do it, but I talk about the support and resistance, which becomes an entry and exit point for some, like a day traders and swing traders. Not for me. I'm a long-term investor. I am targeting this stock, a $10 stock. $10 and above, that's something I'm targeting with this stock, with this company. So this is my pattern that I had. It goes up, down, pull back, then we make another high, and then we rip again back again to $1.20, and then went higher of $1.50. So let's see. I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna change it to see. Let's see if it happens that way. Right now it is kind of playing out that way. So we're expecting a pullback coming. Doesn't mean I am coming, because the market is going to be volatile tomorrow of the news coming in. So there's a bit a roller coaster ride on that. But our beautiful support level, it is sitting in that area. So I'm going to shift the gear, go back kind of on the 5-day chart. You can clearly see that how we are making our headways on that. And even yesterday we went high of $1.21, and I mentioned on my video, if you have not, go check it out on the weekend, the video that I did on the weekend. And I said, folks, we are about to see a $1.20 to $1.50 level, and guess what, we did. And my resistance level was sitting at $1.21, $1.21 and 7. Guess what, we went $1.22. And we break out on that. I don't make this chart. It is based on technical analysis and what is the support and resistance, where I can recharge and share my knowledge with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button so you can be aware of what I talk about on the technical side, because a company's fundamentals and technical do play a part on this side, because technical analysis do not have emotions or fear of anything. They are just based on the shift and how the company is doing it as well. So now when we have this pullback, came all the way back from 22, now we're making the higher, and we had this crossover, still an uptrend crossover, and that's why I am still confident that we will be seeing $1.50, just a matter of time. We're gonna shift the gear to 3 months. Why I am still bull? Because we are, and I did mention, it's a bull flag pattern where we have it raise up, kind of gap down, and trading sideways. But now we've been kind of, look at the pink line, which is my 200-day EMA. It is a steady up trend, not a sharp uptrend, but it is a steady uptrend, means pushing the price and acting as a support level. Where's the 60-day moving average, which is my beautiful blue line, which I'm gonna zoom it, and you can see it now. It's acting as a support level right here, acted as a support, I love to move this chart and kind of see it, because it doesn't, this thing does not move, because that is my drawing. This is, I had the pattern on that. But you know what, already, since I have it, I know how it's gonna look like. I'm just gonna delete it, because I want you guys to see it very clear on the chart what I'm talking about on the technical side. But you can clearly see that we are holding it very steady. We are holding it on this blue line. Once it becomes a blue line, which is a 60-day support, because it's about to make another higher highs and higher lows. And MACD, or we can look at it right here, we are trading above those. So beauty is beautiful. And now from red, we are about to change into green, which is a great sign. RSI is still under neutral on the even side. So everything is in the fundamentals, the technical side, everything is about to be a phenomenal boost and a breakout, go testing of $21 on stuff. So if Wednesday the news comes out, mark my word, we're going to be testing again to $21 and going high of $1.50. It's just a matter of time, and I can see it happening it before March 29th, before the earnings coming up. And granted, if the earnings does not suit the world, we're gonna be seeing some pullbacks coming as well. Before I let you guys go, I'm gonna cover one more thing before I let you guys go, because this is very, very important, very, very important to see, that is how, in terms of on the 5-year chart. Sorry, I gotta shift back all to the 5-year chart. It looks like it is not gonna be doing what I wanted to do, but don't worry, I have something right up here that I wanted to show you guys. Okay, we've seen this pattern, right? How we went high of all the way to like $60 something, and we had this massive pullback. So if you are still bullish, right, I want you to comment down below and tell me what is your target level. And my target level still doesn't change. It still sits on that level of $10 and above. And the reason is that because now we are making these higher highs and higher lows. We were sitting at 35 cents. Just last all the way to November. Definitely I missed that run. But now we are making these higher highs and higher lows every time we pull back. And we come back to 200-day. We made all the way 50. We pull back. Now we is taking all on the 60. So it's making higher highs and higher lows on year to date. And as investors, as I'm very confident of seeing that $1.50 and all the way to $2, making the way all the way to double digits of $10 coming out. So next video is coming up. So don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification. And please comment down below. What is your target level? I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. So thank you.